Welcome to 50405 Verano Drive, inside Mountain View Country Club. This Mediterranean-inspired home blends elegance, comfort, and spectacular desert living, all set against the breathtaking backdrop of the Santa Rosa Mountains. Step inside through a grand entry that immediately makes a statement. The foyer features a dramatic rotunda design, highlighted by custom lighting and architectural detailing that sets the tone for the entire home. From here, the floor plan opens in multiple directions, guiding you toward both intimate retreats and expansive entertaining spaces. To one side, you'll find the formal living and dining areas. Tall ceilings and large windows create a sense of space and light, while recessed lighting add refined touches. These rooms are ideal for hosting dinner parties, family gatherings, or simply enjoying a quiet evening with a view of the landscaped grounds. At the heart of the home is a chef's kitchen designed for both functionality and style. Granite counters stretch across an oversized prep island, paired with stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinetry reaching to the ceiling, and a custom wine storage feature. Just off the kitchen, the family room offers a warm, inviting space with a cozy fireplace, perfect for casual nights in or weekend entertaining. The open concept keeps the flow seamless, connecting everyone together in one central space. This home spans over 2,800 square feet, with multiple bedrooms designed for comfort and privacy. The primary suite is a true retreat, with generous proportions, walk-in closets, and a spa-like bathroom featuring dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. Guest bedrooms are thoughtfully placed for privacy, ideal for friends, family, or a home office. Each space reflects the home's balance of relaxation and functionality. Of course, one of the best features of desert living is the ability to enjoy the outdoors year-round. Step outside to a backyard built for both relaxation and entertainment. The covered patio provides shaded lounging space, while the pool and spa create your own private oasis. Beyond, you'll find lush landscaping and views of the golf course framed by mountain vistas, capturing the essence of La Quinta living. Living here also means access to the Mountain View Country Club lifestyle. From Arnold Palmer's signature golf course to the newly renovated clubhouse, fitness center, pickleball, and a packed social calendar, the community offers something for everyone. It's more than a neighborhood, it's a lifestyle, and the setting truly completes it. Just minutes from Old Town La Quinta, you're surrounded by top-rated restaurants, boutique shopping, hiking trails, and world-class golf. The community's private gates keep the feel peaceful and secure, while the location keeps you close to everything the Coachella Valley is known for. Whether it's morning walks along palm-lined streets, evenings under the stars, or weekends hosting friends by the pool, life here moves at the perfect pace. 50405 Verano Drive is more than a home. It's a statement of luxury, comfort, and connection. Every detail tells a story, from its handcrafted finishes to its timeless architecture. Whether you're drawn to the design, the amenities, or the community itself, this residence is ready to welcome its next chapter. Schedule your private showing today and experience Mountain View Country Club living at its finest.